Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Advanced Java. In this session we would understand the working of web servers and installing them on the local machine. Let's start with server once again. Server is a device or a computer program that accepts and responds to the request made by other program, known as client. It is used to manage the network resources and for running the program or software that provides services. There are two types of servers: web server and application server. Web server. Web server contains only web or Surflay container. It can be used for Surflay, JSP, struts, JSF etc. It can't be used for EJB. It is a computer where the web content can be stored. In general, web server can be used to host the websites, but there also used some other web servers also, such as FTP, email, storage, gaming etc. Examples of web servers are Apache Tomcat and Resin. Web server working. It can respond to the client request in either of the following two possible ways: generating response by using the script and communicating with database, sending file to the client associated with the requested URL. See the diagram for better understanding. If the requested web page at the client side is not found, then web server will send the HTTP response, error 404 not found. When the web server searching the requested page, if requested page is found, then it will send to the client with an HTTP response. If the client requests some other resources, then web server will contact to application server and data is stored for constructing the HTTP response. Now you must be aware what is server and why we need to for web applications. Server is having your resource, or you can say web pages, which are generated when the client requests for web page. Server responds back with the page to the client. So, for now server and client, both are we, that means, our system will play both roles. Therefore, we would make our local host as server. For doing this we would need a server application. Java supports many open source web servers like Apache Tomcat, JBoss, WebLogic, Glassfish, and etc. We would be using Apache Tomcat for our programs, so we would discuss about that. First of all, we must download the Apache Tomcat application. For doing so, let's visit the website of it. You can see the URL of website. Open the website and see the download section. You can find various versions. I am downloading Apache Tomcat 9. Click on the link, a new page opens. You can see various options for the download. You can download zip file, or for Windows you can download installer as well. File will be downloaded. Click on installer and follow the steps. On the window showing Tomcat basic configuration, there would be showing HTTP port number. You can change it, but make sure some other application is not running on it. Give username and password. Make sure you remember the username and password, because while deploying your application on the server, you will be required to provide username and password. Click on Next. As I have already installed the software, so I am canceling it. Once your installation is done, visit your operating system drive. Open the program files. You can find Apache Tomcat Foundation folder. If you can see this folder, your server is installed. For Surflay programs you need to set class path of Surflay API jar file, that can be found in lib folder of Apache Tomcat Foundation folder. You can see on your screen. In the lib folder you can find several jar files. You need to copy the path of Surflay API.jar file. You can see it on your address bar. Now open your system's properties, click on Advanced System Setting. We are going set class path for the Surflay API.jar file. Click on Environment Variable and then click on Class Paths Edit option. I have already set it. If you have not created, then create a variable name class path and put the copied path in its value. Click on OK and close the window. Now your class path has been set. We will see it while doing Surflay programs. For running our servlets we need to put the file into the Web Apps folder in Apache Tomcat Foundation folder. All the local host file will be stored here. This is our servers area which is used for giving responses to the client's requests. In our next session we would start doing servlet programming. Till then take care. Thank you.